Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing and configuring a virtual private network. First things first, we're going to head over to our server manager. Let's open that up. We're going to select add rules and services. We're going to leave this as is, select next. Leave the settings as is, next. Next. We're going to look for remote access and select it. We're going to select next. Leave the default settings as is, next. Next. And we're going to select direct access and VPN. Select that box. Select add features. Let's select next. Next. We're going to select next and install. Once our installation is completed, we're going to select open the getting started wizard. Once it is open, we're going to select deploy VPN only. We're going to select our server name, right click, select configure and enable routing and remote access. We're going to select next. We're going to change this to custom configuration. We're going to select next. We're going to select VPN access. Next. Finish. We're going to select start service. And we're just going to wait for a while. We're going to right click on our server once again. And we're going to head to properties. We're going to select IPv4. And we're going to select static address pool. We're going to click on add. And we're going to enter our start IP address, which for me is going to be 192.168.1.20, and our end IP address being 192.168.1.30. We're going to select OK. We're going to select apply, and we're going to select OK. We're going to go to remote access and policies. We're going to right click and select launch NPS. Just going to wait until this process is completed. And to select network policies, we're going to click on the first option and go to its properties. And we're just going to change our option to grant access. We're going to select apply and then OK. We're going to do the same for our second option. We're going to right click, go to properties, and change our access permission to grant access. Select apply and then select OK. So once that is completed, we're going to close off all our tabs. We're going to head on over to our tools. And we're going to select our active, let's go up, our Active Directory users and computers. If you're not currently in your user folder, please select your user folder and you're going to select any user you want. I'm going to select John Doe as that's what I had created in my previous videos. I'm going to right click and select properties. Going to go to dial in. And we're going to change our network access permission to allow access. We're going to select apply and then OK. We're going to reopen our user and go to its properties once again. We're going to head over to member auth. We're going to select add. The name of our object is going to be remote. We're going to select check names. We're going to select remote desktop user and we're going to click on OK. OK once again. We're going to click apply and we're going to select OK. So for now, that is it for our server. Let's head over to our client machine. We are now in our client machine and we're going to log in. But instead of using your normal username and password, the user that we just edited the information for, we are going to log in as that user. You can select other user if you do not see that user already here. The user I use, as you can recall, if you can recall that is John Doe. I already have it selected here and I'm just going to enter the password for this user. We're going to go to our control panel. We're going to select system and security. We're going to go to firewall. To go to advanced settings. It will prompt us to enter our username and password. This will be your administrator username with its password. We're going to select inbound rules. We're going to select new rule. We're going to add a new rule. So let's change our options here to port. Select next. For our specific local port, we're going to put this type as 1723. Next. 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 We're going to name it as TCP. And let's select finish. Now we're going to add another rule. So select new rule. This time we're going to select custom. Select next. Next. We're going to change our protocol type to GRE. Going to click next. 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 And we're going to name this as, I'm just going to leave it as GRE. We're going to select finish. Once that's completed, I'm going to close off my tab and I'm going to head over to my network settings. I'm going to select network and internet settings. Let's select VPN. We're going to add a VPN connection. Okay, so our VPN provider is Windows built-in. Our connection name, I'm just gonna have it as server. Sorry, that's in caps. My bad. Server VPN. Our server name or address is just gonna be the IP address of our server, my IP address. And if you're following along to my videos, it should be 192.168.0.1. Let's scroll down. Our VPN type will actually be point to point, and your username will be your administrator and its corresponding password. I'm gonna select save. I'm going to select server VPN and click on connect. Wow, and it says connected. So there you have it. You have successfully installed and configured our VPN. Yes, you did it. You did it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!